So here in this video, we're going to have a look at the Photos module, which is going to include how to add photos, how to delete photos, how to organize photos in the Photos module of the content management system. So if we have a look at the Photos page, you can see here we have all the photos that have been uploaded to this website. If we click on one, we're going to get a couple of things. We'll get the photo that we clicked on, we have a caption below, and then also we can navigate between the different photos on the Photos page by clicking the forwards and backwards arrows to navigate between those photos. So let's have a look at how this works in the content management system. So if we jump in there, we'll go to the Photos module, and in here you'll see a list of all the photos that have been added so far to the website. So the first couple of things we can do here with the photos that are already uploaded is edit the caption for those photos, and we can publish those changes. We can also reorganize the photos, so if we see that we want to change the order of the photos, then we can drag the photos into a different order. We can delete photos, so for instance we have a couple of duplicates next to one another here, so we can select multiple photos and delete the selected photos. And we can also delete individual photos by clicking the little red cross at the bottom of the photo there. Now to add new photos, we can click on the Add button up at the top, and we can browse for one or multiple images in these different formats, so JPEGs, GIFs or PNG images. So if we hit Browse here, you can see we've got 5 photos to upload. If we click on the first one and then hold down Shift, we can select multiple photos. If we want to deselect from that list, on the PC we can hold down Control, or on the Mac we can hold down Command, and then we can deselect photos that are in that list. So we can select photos in a continuous list, or we can select photos one at a time by holding down Control on the PC or Command on the Mac. We'll select all of these and press Open. And you can see now it's going to upload all those photos. The content management system will create a thumbnail for each of those photos, and we can add a caption that will appear on all of those photos. So once we hit Publish, we'll jump back into the Photos module, and you can see again we can reorganize those images, and then once we're happy with all the different changes we've made, we can press Publish, jump back to the live site and hit Refresh, and you can see those new photos that I've uploaded are now on the Photos page. Now one other great way that you can add photos to your website in the content management system is by connecting your site to Instagram. So if we come back to the content management system, you'll see under the Content tab here we have the Connect button, and if you jump in there you'll see a list of the different connections you can make to other websites, and it's Instagram that we're looking for in relation to the Photos page. So if we press Connect here, and once we land on the Instagram page, we'll be asked to log in with our username and password. And then once we log in, we'll get a prompt. If we're already logged into, we'll be asked if we want to authorize the connection between our Instagram account and with the content management system, and we'll press Authorize here. And now once we're connected, when we go back to Content and come to our Photos section, if we go into the Settings options, you can see that we've got the option to pull in the last 30 images from our Instagram account, and also to show all Instagram photos that are posted in the future from the account that we've connected to. So that's a really great way of posting images from your mobile device if you're using Instagram there, and keeping your website and your clients up to date. Lastly here, if we want to disconnect an account here, we can come to Connect, and we can just press the little red cross just to the right of the account that we've connected to the website here, and that will remove the connection from that site. So you can see now, if we go back into our Photos page and to Settings, we don't have any Instagram account connected. So that's how to connect and disconnect an Instagram account. So there's a few really useful ways in which you can manage your photos, adding new photos, modifying the order of the photos, and also bringing content in from your social media streams such as Instagram into your website.